everybody, it's Mrs. Jensen. It's Tuesday, April 2nd, 2020, and it is a beautiful day. If you listen, you can hear the birds singing in my neighborhood. Listen. You can also hear the wind blowing. I took a walk earlier today, and it was just so windy, so I thought we could listen to a story called Like a Windy Day. Now I want you to look at the cloud. Isn't that amazing? And all of these different things. Can you make a prediction about what's going to happen in this story? It's called Like a Windy Day, and it's written by Frank Ash and Devin Ash. I wonder if they're a family. And it is a book by Scholastic. Oh, look who's peeking out at us. Hi, Kitty. Okay, so sorry about that. So, Like a Windy Day. Ooh, what season is that? Some brown and gold and orange leaves. That looks like it might be fall. And this is the dedication page to Eli and Tara. I want to play like a windy day. Yep, it's definitely fall. I want to zoom down hillsides. Look at that beautiful sky. And race through streets. She's on a skateboard. Does anyone in our class have a skateboard, or do you know somebody that has a skateboard? I know that my son has one. What does this say right here? It says park. Park. Shh. No, you're not in this video. I want to scatter seeds. Oh, remember we talked about the dandelions and how the seeds go with the wind and blow across to plant more. Does anyone know what this is? It's a windmill. Oh, see how windy it is out here? Fly kites. Wave flags. Oh, there's a flag right there. Look at that beautiful kite. And snap wet sheets. Now, if anybody that has a clothesline, if you ever put some clothes on it that are wet, and as the wind sort of snaps it like a wet towel. I want to play like a windy day. Oh my goodness. Look at all those clothes flying in the wind, and there's an airplane. I want to lift birds and butterflies in the sky. Look at that beautiful illustration. There's the geese making a V, and there's the monarch butterflies. I want to steal hats. That's what happens when the wind blows. Some people's hats go flying away. Drive clouds and rain. Sailboats. Ooh, I don't think I'd want to be on those boats today. That doesn't look like a very nice, relaxing ride. And make umbrellas fly. I want to play like a windy day. Have you ever been with an umbrella and the wind is so strong that it takes it inside out? That's happened to me a couple times. I want to shake the dew from a spider's web. Do you know what dew is? In the mornings, sometimes you'll see dew on the grass or on the trees. It's condensation. And help her babies soar. Look at those spiders. I want to blow through green grasses. And crash big blue waves on the shore. I want to play like a windy day. Look, there's a lighthouse. If you're playing the game of finding lighthouses, you can count this one as one. And fly with the leaves from the trees. I want to play like a windy day. Oh, look at that. She's pretending that that's like a boat. Until I become like a gentle breeze. So a gentle breeze would be like this. But a strong wind would be like this. And a tornado would be like this. So if you get a chance today, I would love for you to go outside and just stand and feel the wind on your face. Maybe see what's swirling around you.